Hey guys, I'm in Dollar Tree. I walked right over here. I think because it's a lot of boxes, so I kind of just made my way over here. Spotlight, intensive repair hand mask. Yes, on that, I haven't seen this one. And Spotlight, a 3-step nose cleansing treatment. Bye-bye blackheads. Pores under control. So that's rocking. Oh, nice. I'm already all the way over here. It's boxes everywhere. So yeah, we grabbed this one in the last video. I was in checkout and the lady had it in her car. I had to jump back out. Miss Girl, oh my goodness. Yes. Didn't we have this before? Now I'm not even sure. The adobo badilla, right? I feel like, I don't know, but it's here now. I hardly ever come up this aisle, but it was, I had to maneuver. Look, chili lime on the plantain chips. I haven't seen these. I saw the other ones. I think they were plain. What's this? I saw a chicken sandwich. Chex Mix Remix. That is funny. Spices and herbs. Ranch flavored wings. That is funny. A ranch flavored wing puff. Toasted breadsticks and buffalo sauce Chex. That is funny. I think I want it in the cart. Here we go. Rufus. Oh, tea, like league, right? Barbecued some peanuts. Genuine. Miss Girl. Oh my goodness. Genuine barbecue honey roasted peanuts. Genuine. Yes. Oh, what's this? Star Snacks. Let me bring it down. Scorching fire. Habanero peanuts. Intense flavor. Back on the shelf. Sizzling chipotle, cayenne, bold and smoky, and flaming jalapeno inferno. They are not playing with these peanuts. Spicy and savory. Oh my goodness. So all three of those are rocking. Look at these Funyun minis. Oh, these are hot. Everything I'm picking up is hot, Miss Girl. But yes, on the Funyuns. Oh, nice. I remember seeing mustard and ketchup for the gato, right? I don't remember seeing the milk and the Oreo. That is funny. They're stocking and things, so I'm gonna go. This is the only thing I'm grabbing from here. Yes. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. I was walking out, so I'm used to seeing these, right? Is the blue one new? I'm not sure, but I have never seen this green one. That is fire. All right, bye. Hey guys, I'm in Dollar Tree. 3-in-1 treatment tool. I haven't seen this yet. Oh, that's nice. Different. Cleanses and exfoliates. What's that say? Oh, applying makeup. Girl. Oh, yeah, that's for the bottom one. So this color and the purple one here. We need to try this out. In the cart. We saw this, right? We picked up the pink one. I got one for you, too. Yes, on the brushes, the candles. They had these last year, right? So that's rocking. Pull the tab. I won't pull the tab, but they are pretty. The loofahs is rocking, right? We saw those. Yeah, we grabbed these. The stuff, the mama, and this mama, the pink one. So we grabbed that already. Okay, these are down here, but yeah, we saw those. The spa wristbands are on the end cap right here, the pink and the blue. Oh, this whole situation, the hydrating hand and nail gloves, right? The foot mask and the foot spa with the scrub, the mask, and the lotion. So that's rocking. Oh, nice. They put the picture frames up here. That's pretty. That's really nice how it's, curvy. Oh, I haven't seen these. That's so pretty. Pull the tab. I think so. The tab not in there. Let me see if it turns on. You better stop it on that. That is pretty. Y'all. In the cart. Oh, these are over here. Isn't that so pretty? It's iridescent, but it has the butterflies in there. That's like a purple. Here's a pink one. And this green is fire. Oh, the tag is sticking. Hold on. I was trying to fix it. So that's rocking. Oh, these are here too. I remember these. Isn't that so pretty? Oh, this is nice. You know what? I saw the chain, like a hanging. That is cute. I don't think I've seen this. So that's rocking. A vibrating jade roller. You better stop it on that. Yeah, it's 2 different textures here. What's that say? Real jade. Yeah, we need to try this out too. In the cart. These aren't new, right? I don't think so. They're iridescent, but they're just really cute up here. This is kind of plain. This one is textured. It's like ribbed. Wait, ow! Hold on. I had to come back over. Here's the pink, and then here's the purple red. Let me go on the other side. Yes, home is where mom is, and it's front and back. I love that. Best mom ever, right? And number one mama. Oh, it's just those three. Okay, that's the side I was on. And I walked over here. Yes. Oh, these bags are so cute. BE, right? Look, that's Bridgerton right there. I might have to do another party. That is cute. I missed these. I bought it down. A facial brush, right? Love that wooden handle. And a face mask. So that's rocking. Oh, nice. These are new by Smart Care. Pure Aloe Soothing. Yeah, aloe after sun wipes. So this is kind of like what we had last year, but it was yellow packaging, I feel like. I think it's the same thing. Pure Aloe Soothing. Yeah, this is a reviving aloe mist. Hydrate and refresh. Yeah, so this is new though. That's rocking. The advanced sanitizer spray. Oh yeah, I think we have that. I don't remember seeing this though. It's so tight over here. I was trying to maneuver the instant hot pack. Oh, I may have seen this. First aid heat therapy. So that's rocking. So I did try this, the BioPure, the eyelid cleansing wipe. So I usually take my makeup off with my Neutrogena wipes and then go in with the cleansing routine, right? So I didn't take it off my eyes just to see how it was going to rock. It did good. I like it. But then the second time I used it, I felt like I was burning. So I don't know. The verdict is still out. But I think I'm a rock. What's this? Yes to a dual-ended mask tool. Mask companion featuring dual-ended tool to help you apply and remove your mask in a flash. Oh, mess-free and like a pro. That's what it say. So yeah, we are all the way good. I'm scanning. Yes, we are all the way good. I feel like we have seen everything. Wow. And they are fully stocked. They got it going on in here. Yes. Paradise Breeze is rocking. Look at all of these. Oh my goodness. The face and the body wipes by the Power Stick. Oh, you know what? As soon as I picked it up. Oh, maybe not. This Be Pure multi-purpose hair oil. Smooth and glossy finish. I think I saw this, and if I did, it was a minute ago. Oh, look at this. Hold on. I was looking at these personal care French Rose. It's a hair and body mist. Oh, nice. So this is French Rose. I see Thai coconut. Oh, that probably smells nice. I need to smell these. And Moroccan jasmine. That just reminded me of Epcot. Hair and body mist. Let me see. All right, I'm back. These first two, Moroccan jasmine, Thai coconut, fire. They smell so good. French rose is a hard no for me, only because I don't like rose, and it is very prominent in here, so that's going to be a no in the cart. Oh, look at these, blister besties. These are like, you know, the things for the pimples too. Get out of here. In the cart. These are right next to them, which I feel like all of this, like I feel like it's all the same thing. I'm just feeling this packaging, and it's 6 in here. You know what I mean? So yes on that. Let me throw these back. I thought this was this, like what we know Palmolive doing. Miss Girl, this Home Bright Ultra, yeah, Ocean Fresh scent. They all look the same. So that's rocking. Look at these. These are like the ones you stick, I feel like. Adjustable air odor neutralizer. Bottle up joy, right? Scent burst technology. So that's rocking. Am I right? Lasts up to 30 days. Where you stick it? I think so. This is Mint Cove, which is probably fire. So in the cart. Oh, I didn't know these came in, you know, the oils. Yeah, this brand, Bermuda. We just finished the scent booster thing. Sydney loves using those. Yes on that. Oh, here's the spray. I don't know if we saw this or not. I did pick this one up. I feel like I didn't see this. So this is rocking too. Here's another one up here, Redwood Pine. I feel like that would be too Christmassy. Oh, it has Christmas trees on it. Miss Girl. So was this out way back when? I don't remember seeing this. I don't want this one. Back in the box. I was going to say, I still need to use this, and then I saw the lady. I have been looking for this for months. I gave up on it. Miss Girl. So, this is a microwave cleaner, too. She look mad as hell in that box. Look at her. She like, because I got to clean this dirty-ass microwave. So... yes on that. So now I'm going to have them both. Yes. In the cart. All right, let me see what's rocking. Yes on the evil lady, right? She is mad. So I got one for you, one for me. The Mint Cove. Oh, I put these in here. Some Blister Besties. I grabbed one of these for me and you. Right? That's pretty. I'm going to put that on my nightstand. I grabbed these two. And then one each for me and you. They are making so much noise. All right, that's it. I'll see you soon. Bye. I saw these walking out the door. The solar hook lantern. Oh, that's pretty neat. All right, bye. Hey guys, we're at Dollar Tree. Oh, nice. Right up front, right? We saw these. It's still only the 3. Yes. Home is where mom is. Best mom ever. And #1 mom. Oh, but not these. Mama ain't easy. No, it is not. At both sides, too. That's pretty. Super mom, super tired. That's me right now. I am exhausted. Oh, my goodness. Oh, these boxes are pretty. The small to medium and the bigger one. That's really pretty. That green is getting me this year. Ow, look. I already picked them up, but yes, on the mom. And the mama is rocking. This is so pretty. Yes, it is 100% about to go down. They have the, I was going to say Eagles, the Phillies things mixed up in here. Yes, on that. You know what? Let me grab this. I need this right now inside the house. Not for the grill. In the cart. Oh, nice. All of, wow. You know we don't have a duck from last year for the girls. Remember, Kara was elementary school, right? And Sydney was high school. I didn't see these ducks last year. Oh my goodness. Darn. But yes, on the duck. 2025, both sides, class of 2025, right? Grad, dream big grad, you did it. Strong, brave, fearless. Oh, I love this. I am so excited about this duck, though. I wish it was 2024, you know, for me last year. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. That is stinking cute. It's like, you know, a sheet of paper out of a composition book. That is fire, actually. I do remember these from last year. I did grab. Everything else is kind of the same. I keep looking at this duck. It's so darn cute. Oh, look at the cowbell. Oh, that's cute. The gold and the black. Yeah, all the party things, right? The garland is rocking, the pics for the cupcakes and things, the diploma and class of 2025. Oh, man. So pretty. Everything. Class dismissed. Yes on that. And the picture frames. Yeah. Everything's so cute. Oh, and a whole thing of thank you cards for the graduation, 125. Sit down there digging. She was looking for one she didn't have, I guess. Let me see. Oh, yeah, I don't remember her. She said, doll, yes, in the cart. Did we see this? Maybe. The summer tanning. No, I don't think so, by Smart Care. So that's here. Oh, nice. These are here, too. And then the antibacterial wipes back there, though. But they're old. Yes, on the teen regular and the super rocking in that pretty packaging. You know why I'm picking this up? Because you know what she reminds me of singing right here? You know the lady on TikTok, and you know people are using her, and she be like, surprise, surprise. That's who Whitney is reminding me of right now. I'm crazy. Oh, this is a big old thing. I thought it might have been 3 or 5. Instant cold pack, rapid relief. Fast relief for bumps and bruises, inflammation and swelling, muscle spasm and cramps. Oh, nice. What does it say? Oh, squeeze, side arrows, pop, shake, wrap in a towel, apply, right? Yeah, this is good to have around, right? In the cart. This is new packaging, I feel like. Who is this? Compared to the active ingredients in Vicks Dayquil. Yes, severe and cold. I have not seen this. We need this. Where the night one at? I don't see it. Hold on. Yeah, these are just the cold and flu one. That's severe. We severe and oh my goodness. Yeah, non-drowsy daytime, right? Cold and flu. And this one right here are the ones I, normally get for travel and things. It's compared to Vicks. So, that's the real deal Holyfield for me. As a matter of fact, in the cart, I'm going to grab this one too. I don't see a night one for this. In the cart. And this one is Zyrtec all day allergy relief compared to the active ingredient in Zyrtec, original prescription strength. Yes on that. In the cart. I'm going to pick up one of these. This compares to the Vase line. The Vaseline, right? Cocoa butter cream. So I'm going to grab one of these by Extra Care. In the cart. Yes. I think I'm good. They're still so darn cute. Remember I was like happy or something? And say ha. That is funny. Yeah, I think, oh, look at Twizzlers rocking. I think I saw those though. Yeah, I'm good to go. Snap, crackle, and pop, and I see. I don't think it's any new seasonings over here that I haven't already seen. Okay, I'm gonna grab these. Oh, hold on. All right, I got it. We ran out, and it's 16 in here instead of 13, so yes on that. In the cart. I'm gonna grab the sandwich ones too. We're down to like 1 or 2. Hubby's slipping. So this is 58 more instead of 45 on that. In the cart. Adios meal. I might as well get the snack ones too. Make it all the way across. 40 instead of 38. So it's 2 extra ones in here. In the cart. You better stop it on that. It's 1 rainbow sherbet. I don't even know what else was in the case. And 2 black cases and a cream color case. Oh my goodness. All right, well, let me grab in the cart. All right, let me see what's rocking. So all the bags, right? We rocking this, the instant cold pack. I threw that in there. I need it for my ribs inside the house. Yes, on the cocoa butter, right? Oh, I threw these in here. And I grabbed this with the black case. I got a black case, another black case for you, hoping I could find another one of these for you too. And then I got all the meds for the travel, right? So yes on that. Oh, and said
Doll, yes.
Doll, yes, she rocking that. All right, I'm gonna go. I'll see you soon. Bye. I'm in line. I did grab this pizza. Remember I grabbed this, I think it was. I forget what I grabbed, but I did grab the pizza too. Oh my goodness. And they have the hats over here, the bigger ones for $3. All right, we saw the bags, right? Yes. All right, bye.